On receiving information from the reliable sources by the Office of Joint Secretary Home, Government of Manipur in charge of Inner Line Permit Cell, Home Department regarding the widespread illegal issue and the sale of ILP suspected to be fake, which are circulating in the market, and also on the involvement of public authorities and the intermediaries in extorting money from ILP seeker and in making fake ILPs. The police has raided at 5 places. That is one at Namdulong and the computer center Namdulong. Second is the mobile repairing shop at Kankulong and the mobile shop at Hangal Bazar and the computer center near the Babupura DC Bungalow office gate, and 5 is the reception counter of Sale Laboratory Rims Road. During the raid, the police has recovered around 3,500 fake labor card, which was issued by some government employees illegally, and the police has recovered all the fake labor cards, including laptops and computers, which was used for making the fake cards. Till now, altogether 9% has been arrested, including one LDC from the Labor Department and one from the Deputy Commissioner's office. As per the norms and as per the act passed in the Manipur Assembly, the base year of the Inner Line Permit is the 1961, 31st December. But some of the officers or officials, knowingly or unknowingly, they are not strictly implementing based on the given year. That is the main loophole which we are facing day to day. On another part, the state government authorized to issue this kind of inner line permit authority cards only to the Deputy Commissioner and the Labor Commissioner. But I came to know and I was told that some of the Deputy Commissioner and Labor Commissioner authorizing to some of the officials to handle the matter. It was so. That is very unfortunate, because the signatory authority is only authorized to the Deputy Commissioner concerned and the Labor Commissioner. And lastly, according to the police, now the government has decided some complications we have found in the issues, and we are going to form a SIT under one additional SP to find out the exact culprits and to book accordingly. And in the meantime, the state government has given white alert to all the police stations to nab the culprits, those who are holding 3,500 cards and using illegally. And I also appeal to them to surrender before the police station or anywhere in DC office or somewhere wherever they are available, before taking any legal action from the police side. That would be good. And lastly, the state government is appealing to all the concerned DCs and the officers who are looking after at the checkpoints of the like Jiribam, Mao and airport, etc., should follow the norms of the inner line permit, which we have already published in the Gazette, and we should strictly implement the base year. Thank you.
Now, there is a report yesterday about detection of some 24 Myanmar nationals in Tengnoupal district of Zangpur. Any update on that?
Yeah, just earlier, day before yesterday, there was an operation with the combined force, some rifles and the state police and BSF. On that, we found around 24 Myanmarese citizens, And at the first instance, we are not able to collect their biometrics and eye scanning, etc., because of the urgency. Urgency in a sense, we did not have the equipments of the biometrics on the movement. But next day, immediately on the next day, the same team visited in the village and found all 24, and the biometric has been captured and the eye scan has been taken and well recorded.
So have they been deported or still there?
Still there, because due to the prevailing situation, we cannot force them to deport. But we're looking the situation of the neighboring Myanmar on a humanity ground. When the situation is improved, just we'll deport them as per law.
So what is the present status of the border fence?
Can you please tell me the arrested person from which state they belong to?
And then this 9% is from our local. Local means one businessman suspected to be businessman from the outside. Involvement is there, but I cannot reveal it now. But on 9%, 8% is from the state, and 1 is suspected to be from the community outside.
Four are non-locals.
Oh, 4 are non-locals. But non-locals, but if they were settled and living here before the the 31st December, they have to be treated as permanent residents. So I cannot say who's who at the moment.
केसों के द्वारा जो पीस टॉक का इनिशिएटिव है उनको इनवाइट नहीं किया गया है, उनको मालूम नहीं है, तो इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए?
Now this issues has in the ministry, and the Home Ministry will take a decision. Accordingly, we will follow it.
And lastly, sir, अभी बॉर्डर फेंसिंग को लेके जो चांदपुर के बयान में कुछ रोक टोक किया गया है बीआरओ के ऑफिशियल्स को, तो उसके बारे में आप
ये तो होगा, जहाँ में भी ये फॉरेन अगेंस्ट तो होगा, पहले से ही है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट इज गवर्नमेंट. व्हाट द इंडियन गवर्नमेंट इज विलिंग टू डू, दे विल डू, नॉट एट द प्रेरोगेटिव ऑफ द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट. Thank you.
And lastly, sir, we have heard that government of Manipur have abrogated the suspension operation with the Kuki militants, and still government of India haven't extended the SU agreement. So why not? Why no operation at those areas?
India government is doing lots. Operation is going on, and the extension of SU will be taken. This decision will be taken by the central government. We are also waiting their indication.